Hey guys, John here, 1984 Barbecue. Today, we're going to be doing one of my favorite sandwiches, shrimp po' boy sandwich. Alright, so let's get started on this. Just a quick little thing of what we're doing. Got our oil starting to preheat. Got some shredded lettuce. Got some shrimp. These are, I think, jumbo shrimp. Got 8 of those. Going to be using a little bit of Amazing Cajun from Heaven Made Products. I'll leave a link down below. This is good stuff. Going to be using a little bit of Andy's fish breading. Good on shrimp, traditional yellow, like cornbread. And we're going to be using a fresh loaf of French bread. Alright, so there's the ingredients, guys. We're going to get the seasoning stuff in the bag, and I'll bring you back. Ourselves a gallon bag or a half-gallon bag, whatever bag you got, kind of like this little Ziploc bag here. Okay, let me zoom it in. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here, guys, I'm going to move these shrimp over here for a minute. Now I'm going to take our bag. All right, there you go. Now this Andy's seasoning, we're not going to need all this, guys. We have like 8 shrimp. Now if you had more than that, you would need some more, but there we go. Alright, now, it smells good. I don't know if y'all can see the inside of that, but that's what it looks like inside. Alright, so what I like to do is I'm just going to take a little bit of this. Just kind of pour some in there. Like I said, guys, you won't need a lot of this because I have that many shrimp. It has a good smell already. But I'm going to kick this up just a notch. There. That should be good for our shrimp. But right, okay, guys. I'll show you what I've used. Maybe just a little bit of the bag. I don't know. Quarter of the bag, maybe. Alright, now, what I like to do is I like to come in with Heaven Made Products Amazing Cajun. And I'm going to add a little bit of that in there. Just like that. Just to kick it up a notch, guys. $3.70. That's good enough. Went about $3.75. These are rested in this bag for about 5 minutes. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to drop these shrimp on in. Like so. And I'm just using a small thing of oil, guys, because I'm just cooking, you know, a small amount of shrimp. You don't need a whole lot of oil. And these won't take very long, guys. All right, I'm going to cook these first 4 real quick. And like I said, these aren't going to take very long. If y'all can see that or not. A beautiful color on that. We're going to take a little quick, take our thermal pin. That's done. That's done, guys. See, that's really quick on these shrimp. These shrimp don't take very long. I just like to be sure that they're done. Yeah, they're good. Go ahead and get these shrimp out of here real quick. See, that color gives it. Don't want to burn them. So, anyways, I'm going to get these out of here. I'm going to put the next batch in, and I will bring you back when we get ready to make the sandwich. Okay, I've already toasted my bun, obviously my French bread, so that's good to go. Now what we're going to do, this first thing, is I'm going to get out my homemade Remoulade Sauce. Alright, which is basically mayonnaise, cayenne pepper. I used Amazing Cajun in this. Hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, some green onions, some fresh minced garlic, stuff like that. So I'll leave the recipe down in the description box, okay? So I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but we're going to take our nice little scoop of our Remoulade sauce here. And I'm just going to put like a little layer of it right here on this bun. Just like that. I don't know if y'all can catch some green onions in there. But nice little layer just like that. Alright. Now we're going to take our shredded lettuce here. I'm just going to lay a little bit of shredded lettuce on here as well. Now guys, you can make your sandwiches small or as big as you want, alright? So you just do however it is you feel like you want to do it. Alrighty, nice little bed of lettuce there. Now, I'm going to take I almost forgot. I like a little tomato of mine. You don't have to put any tomato, but I put some nice fresh tomato. It's not out of the garden, but it's just nice fresh tomato. I'm going to lay that right there on mine. That's the way I like to do it. You can do it however you want. Now we're going to come in and put our shrimp on here. Now obviously you could probably use some larger shrimp. It's just what I had on hand at the time. You don't have to fry these guys. You can saute them in a pan or blacken them. However you want to cook your shrimp. Okay? Right there. Oh. Alright. Got our shrimp on there. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of the Remoulade sauce on top of this and then crown it off. But first, I'm going to get a thumb shot of this, guys. We come back and do the taste test. Got our shrimp po' boy sandwich right here. Got that Remoulade sauce on there. It's a big boy right there, ladies and gentlemen. Big boy. Alright, let's get a bite of this thing. Cheers, everybody. Guys, that is, wow, it's really good. Alright, you get the crunch of the bread, you get the shrimp, the Andy seasoning with that amazing Cajun, you get that Remoulade sauce, you get the fresh crunch of that lettuce on there, that freshness of lettuce and the tomato all together. Boom, baby. That's a home run right there. That is good. Really good. Like I said, I'll leave the link to the recipe in the description box for the Remoulade sauce and the ingredients for the shrimp and the Remoulade sauce. You might want to make a day in advance so the flavors can incorporate with each other. Anyways, guys, I hope you liked what we did here today. If you did, hit that thumbs up, share. If you were new to the channel, hey, welcome. Think about hitting that subscribe button, hitting that bell, let you know when I release new videos. Also, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Anyways, guys, that's it for the night. Hope you all have a good night. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.